Here's how to make your Roblox display name look cool with Japanese characters in 2025. It's easy and safe. Now let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and get Japanese characters. You can use a website or app to create Japanese text, or you can directly go to a web browser and search for a Japanese name for Roblox. And here I've got the name of Roboroxu. I'm going to simply copy the name in Japanese character first. Once done, go to your Roblox account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and then go to Settings. Now from the account info page, go to Display Name, tap on this edit or the pencil icon over here, delete the existing name and simply paste the name that you just copied. But remember that you won't be able to use the Japanese character name on Roblox, but you can use the name in English. Just the Japanese name, but in English characters. You can go ahead and copy the Japanese name that you want to keep, then paste it in the box and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. Remember that you can only change your display name after 7 days and your display name need to be 3 to 20 characters long. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.